your life today with these 10 incredible kitchen hacks. Are you tired of spending endless hours in the kitchen? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In video, we will share with you 10 incredible kitchen hacks that will simplify your life. From clever storage solutions to time-saving tricks, these hacks will revolutionize the way you work in the kitchen. Get ready to take your cooking skills to the next level and save valuable time and effort. Watch now and start simplifying your life in the kitchen today. Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of spending endless hours in the kitchen, struggling with everyday cooking tasks? Well, worry no more. In this video, we will reveal 10 incredible kitchen hacks that will simplify your life and make cooking a breeze. These hacks are designed to save you time, streamline your cooking process, and help you become a master in the kitchen. So, let's dive in. Hack 1. Clever storage solutions. The first hack is all about clever storage solutions. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets and hello to an organized kitchen. We will show you innovative ways to store your utensils, spices, and pans, maximizing your cabinet space while keeping everything easily accessible. Hack 2. Time-saving tricks for chopping and cutting. Next up, we have some time-saving tricks for chopping and cutting. Learn how to dice an onion like a pro in seconds, or discover a unique technique for peeling garlic effortlessly. These tips will help you save valuable time and energy, making your meal preparation a breeze. Hack 3. Efficient cleaning techniques. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but not anymore. We will share some efficient cleaning techniques that will help you quickly sanitize your kitchen and get rid of stubborn stains. From non-toxic cleaning solutions to easy microwave cleaning methods, you'll have your kitchen sparkling in no time. Hack 4. Cooking hacks for perfectly tender meat. Are you tired of tough and dry meat? Our fourth hack is all about cooking hacks for perfectly tender meat. Discover the secret to marinating meat quickly, learn how to achieve a mouth-watering sear on your steaks, and master the art of deglazing. These techniques will elevate your meat dishes to a whole new level. Hack 5. Smart food preservation tricks. Last but not least, we have some smart food preservation tricks. Say goodbye to wasted food and hello to extended shelf life. Learn how to properly store fruits and vegetables, the best way to freeze and defrost food, and some creative ideas for using leftovers. These tricks will save you money and reduce food waste. And there you have it. 10 incredible kitchen hacks to simplify your life today. By implementing these hacks, you'll not only save time and effort but also enhance your cooking skills. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and share these hacks with your fellow cooking enthusiasts. Thank you for watching.